Three Sinha Industries steel fire doors play a crucial role in safeguarding lives and property. Each door is crafted with precision and care. Let's take a closer look at the journey of creating a steel fire door from design to its final installation. The process begins with finalizing the design. Each detail is meticulously drafted. Once the design is ready, it's fed into an advanced laser cutting machine. Steel sheets are precisely cut to the specified dimensions, ensuring accuracy down to the millimeter. Every piece is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the design specifications with thorough cross-checks and measurements. The cut sheets are then shaped using high-precision bending and forming machines, making the door frame and edges seamlessly. To enhance fire resistance, rock wool or fire pellet insulation is meticulously filled into the door panels, providing both safety and structural integrity. The door's components are welded together using advanced laser and MIG welding techniques, ensuring strength and durability. Smaller pieces are manually cut and fitted to complete the assembly. After the door production is completed, the frame is fitted and all measurements are rechecked. The door undergoes final sanding using a grinder, preparing it for a smooth finish. A durable powder coating is applied to provide a sleek finish and added protection. A laser is then used to recheck the door's leveling, ensuring it's ready for installation. Firstly, the frame fixing begins with drilling holes and fitting roll plugs. After a quick measurement check, the door packaging is removed following the powder coating process. Next, the hinges are attached and the door is positioned for installation. Following this, the handles, manual key lock, panic lock and door closer are fitted in sequence. Finally, the wired glass frame and glass are carefully installed, completing the fire door assembly. With all components in place, the fire door is fully manufactured and ready for installation. Each door undergoes rigorous checks to guarantee flawless operation and maximum safety. Our steel fire doors combine innovation, precision, and reliability, ensuring safety you can trust. Thank you for joining us on this journey of craftsmanship and excellence.